Welcome to Port Orange, located just 6 miles south of Daytona Beach in dynamic East Volusia County, Florida. Port Orange has a population of close to 60,000 happy, friendly people, enjoying all the best that fabulous Florida has to offer. Our great location means there is a kaleidoscope of culture and entertainment just minutes away. Daytona Beach is known as the world's most famous beach. Culture is readily available at the Ocean Center. Everything from ballet to top-named entertainers, along with the best symphony orchestra and fine theater productions. Of course, race fans start the NASCAR season with Race Week and the Daytona 500, then continue to enjoy racing right through July with the Coke Zero 400 at the Daytona International Speedway. Greyhound racing is also very popular. Quality golf clubs and country clubs are readily available throughout the area, making golf for the duffer and the pro easily available. The tennis buffs will have no problem finding a court in practically every neighborhood. The Florida Tennis Center is one of the finest tennis centers in Florida. The center features a full-service pro shop and various tennis programs. With so much water around, boating is high on the recreational list. There are frequent competition fishing events in the Atlantic. You can fish from the beach or the bridges, or take your boat into many of the inlets along the shore. Many people enjoy charter fishing in the Atlantic. Port Orange schools are considered A-rated by the state, and one of the high schools, Spruce Creek High School, has made the list as one of the top 100 high schools in the nation for several years in a row. There are also many fine private and parochial schools in the area. For higher education, Daytona State College, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Bethune-Cookman University, and the University of Central Florida are all busy training the next generation of professionals. Healthcare is provided by Halifax Health Medical Center of Port Orange, an 80-bed community hospital that features a round-the-clock emergency department, 4 operating rooms, and private patient rooms. There are many fine outpatient facilities available in the area. For your family's spiritual needs, the area offers a wide selection of churches, temples, and synagogues of all denominations. The Pavilion at Port Orange is an open-air shopping center just south of Daytona Beach. Anchored by Belk Department Store, the Pavilion features food, entertainment, and shopping for the entire family. After a day of shopping, enjoy dinner at one of our restaurants and a movie at one of Hollywood Theater's 14 screens. Area shopping centers also offer many of the national stores you've come to enjoy and trust. For travelers, the East Volusia County area is served by efficient and well-maintained highways, including Interstate 95 and I-4. The Daytona International Airport is available to handle all of your travel needs, and the Orlando International Airport is just 1 hour away. This is an area of beautiful homes, pleasant neighborhoods, and happy, friendly people. As you drive through the area, you'll come to an array of subdivisions, from fly-in communities to golf communities. Homes close to schools, shopping, medical facilities, homes ideal for retirement or just raising a family, homes in the finest executive communities, and homes along tree-lined streets, homes in every imaginable price range. Come be a part of it all in the Port Orange and beautiful East Volusia County area.